Let's have some breakfast.
Really?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Hey, welcome back to another episode of Maintenance with Mike. So today, as you can see, we're up, heading up the property here today. Sorry about the sun in your eyes, but we just wanted to capture this beautiful day for you and show you the view. So what we have planned for today is that tree that fell over on its own at the end of summer that you saw in one of the past videos. The prime target today is to get in there and get that cut up into 16-inch rounds. We do have to cut down some poplars that are on the trail on the way in because of the height of the canopy on the Kioti. The rocking action is going to hit those trees that are overhanging the trail. It was fine with the ATV, but we're going to have to do some cutting. So let's get started. So we spun you around here, and as you can see, we've got a couple trees that are marked with some orange flags. And as we cross the culvert here, those trees sort of have a bit of a canopy here, and we're not going to be able to cut this corner enough without hitting the cab of the tractor. So you can see here we've got all of our safety gear ready to go. We've got the STIHL 462 filled up with fuel and bar oil. We've got our helmet. We've got our Kevlar gloves, our Kevlar pants, and some wedges and an axe and a hatchet. So we're hoping to use some of these poplars that we cut down. They're about 2.5, maybe 3-inch poplar. We're going to cut those up in such a way that we can use them to span this road. If you haven't checked out Brian over at Retired for Life, go check out his channel. He built a Corduroy Road over across a sort of a wet section of his property. We're probably going to try to do the same thing here, as well as build this up a bit. So when we cut these, we're going to be mindful of that we're going to try to save them for part of the Corduroy Road to get through this wet section here. So okay, so we're going to do another cold start on the STIHL 462. So again, squeeze the trigger lock, squeeze the trigger all the way, push all the way down and release. That puts it into choke mode. And then you want to push the decompression lever. I put my foot sort of in that grip there. Push it in again. So these two here have to go. Okay, easy work's done now, the hard work. Haul it all away. So we've basically cleared out those are the logs right here. That would be for the Corduroy Road. That's for the chipper. So we'll have to pull that out of here in the next little bit, hopefully, if it stays cold. Whoops, almost exit. Okay, here we go. I guess we have to clear some more branches away. It's a little tank, this thing, eh? There you have it. We're through. There's the tree. Let's have some breakfast.
Really?
Yeah, I'm hungry. stuck. I have to pull the saw out as soon as I get something that I can put underneath there. These are all break, I think. Maybe that one over there. Oh, this is a rose bush. Yeah. Pretty mucky in here.
I know.
It is, man, I don't know if we could ever clean this up. There's another tree over there that fell down. Okay, saw lady. As soon as I get out of this rose bush. Whoa.
I know.
Let me use the thick end here. Basically, I'm just going to lift it up some so that it makes a crack there, yeah. And then you can pull it out. Okay. Beauty. Thank you. Love my DJI camera. You can check out what's going on. Nice. Nice. Oh, she's cold. Gotta warm up for a few seconds here. So that's going to do it for today. We got the tree all cut up and hauled it out of the bush. We're just up at the woodshed now. We're going to throw these rounds in here for the winter. I'm going to split a couple pieces of this and grab the moisture meter and see what it's sitting at. I would probably guess it's under 20, considering it was a standing dead tree all summer. So yeah, if you like these videos, maybe consider subscribing to the channel, share them with a family member or friend. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Cheers.